Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cookware, and more specifically, we're going to explore the best stainless steel cookware out there. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or looking for long-lasting, high-performance pots and pans, we've got you covered. Stainless steel is known for its durability, sleek design, and even heat distribution, perfect for any home chef. So, let's take a look at the top options this year and find the best set to elevate your cooking game. All product links are in the description below. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Cuisinart 1.5 quart Stainless Steel Cookware. The Cuisinart 1.5 quart saucepan from the Chef's Classic Stainless Steel Cookware collection is designed for small to medium cooking tasks in home kitchens. Its polished mirror surface gives it a clean, modern appeal. The aluminum base helps it heat quickly and evenly, which avoids burning or uneven cooking. Quick and even heating ensures smoother cooking results for everyday meals. The saucepan includes a stainless steel cooking interior that does not react with food or affect flavor. This makes it a great option for sauces, soups, and small servings. Measurement marks inside make it easier to follow recipes without using extra tools. Its built-in pouring rim is helpful for serving liquids without mess. Mess-free pouring edge makes transferring contents easier and more accurate. The handle stays cool during cooking and is made with a solid stainless steel riveted design for safe handling. The included lid helps trap heat and moisture, allowing for better control over the cooking process. Number 4. EWFEN Three-Ply Stainless Steel 11-Piece Cookware Set. The EWFEN Three-Ply Stainless Steel 11-Piece Cookware Set is made for everyday home use as well as more serious cooking needs. With a mirror polish and thoughtful design, it blends well with modern kitchens and helps simplify meal preparation. Each piece is built using a 3-layer structure to deliver reliable performance across a wide range of cooking tasks. 3-layer heat control supports even heating and better food results. Number 3. Calphalon Classic Stainless Steel 10-Piece Cookware. The Calphalon Classic Stainless Steel 10-Piece Cookware Set provides a dependable option for everyday home cooking. Designed with a strong silver finish, it suits modern kitchens while offering reliable results for a variety of dishes. The aluminum base is bonded to the stainless steel body, supporting even heat across each pot and pan. Even heat cooking base improves performance during browning and searing. The set includes essential kitchen tools that support both basic and advanced meals. Built-in measuring marks help track liquid levels without extra utensils. Pouring spouts and straining lids help reduce mess and make food prep faster and more organized. Number 2. Cuisinart 10-inch Stainless Steel Cookware. The Cuisinart 10-inch open skillet is part of the Chef's Classic Stainless Steel Cookware collection, designed for both home cooks and those learning their way around the kitchen. Built with a solid stainless steel structure, this skillet combines a classic mirror finish with a modern cooking style. Mirror finish professional look gives a polished appearance on any stove. The base of the skillet includes an aluminum layer that helps heat reach all parts of the pan evenly. This design helps avoid uneven cooking or burnt spots, making it easier to manage heat for various recipes. The cooking surface does not change the taste or color of your food. Even heat aluminum base ensures better cooking balance during use. Its handle is crafted to stay cool, making it safer to grip while cooking. Number 1. T-Fal Stainless Steel Cookware Set. T-Fal Stainless Steel Cookware Set offers a complete solution for those wanting to upgrade their kitchen tools. This 11-piece cooking set includes a variety of pots and pans suitable for many recipes. Made with durable stainless steel, it supports different cooking methods with ease. It fits well in any kitchen setting with its modern silver design. Durable stainless steel build helps maintain quality over time. Each item in the set is designed to work well for everyday cooking. It includes fry pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, a Dutch oven, and a steamer. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.